You dropped your lion. Oh. Yay, lion. Oh, yeah. Lions are exciting. Hi, little girl. Why do you make some of your funny sounds like you were making a minute ago? Yeah? You don't want to make them? No? No funny sounds? Yeah? I see. How about more? Yeah. Everybody loves that. Yeah. Yeah, that's awesome. Good job. Good job, Lexa. Yeah. Yeah. Good job. Don't mind me. Don't mind me. Oh, the lion's a little too far away. Here you go. You always somehow know these black phone things. There are just something's going on there. You're like, I know there's something there. You can't fool me. What do you think on this side? Yeah. You're such a funny little girl. You're so cute and adorable. That's you.